we use the apotome mode, we can place the apotome into the microscope. And importantly, we can select our 3 channels that we are interested in and perform a set exposure. This will ensure that all 3 channels have sufficient exposure times for the apotome mode. We can take a quick snap. We can see our apotome optical section image. Now, to go live with the apotome menu active, we can change to grid visible. The grid is what is inside the apotome device, and you may see some horizontal lines of that grid visible if you have the grid visible mode on. Optical sectioning will show you a preview of the optical section, and conventional fluorescence will show you a preview of the conventional fluorescence channel. Apotome will take 5 phase images for each capture and each channel. So previously, a 3-channel image had 3 2D elements. An apotome 2D image with 3 channels will now have 15 elements. If we go to our apotome image, we have an apotome menu available to us now. This will let us display the optical section, the conventional fluorescence data, or the raw data. Importantly, you have to export the image, optical section, by creating an image. This will create a new CZI file that is readable by third-party software such as Fiji or ImageJ. This file is also 5 times smaller than the original file because the 5 phase images have been calculated into a 1 apotome image. You can also perform a normalization and phase correction. In the metadata for this file, not only will it tell you information about scaling, the channels that you've used, it also has information about the apotome grid size. In this case, we used this grid. If we perform a Z stack while in apotome mode, we can use first, last, or center. In this case, we can use center to tell it this is the middle and we wish to capture 11 Z slices at that optimal spacing. In this case, now at 0.5 microns. We can capture our experiment. You can see that a apotome Z stack takes considerably longer because we have to capture 15 images for each Z stack now. 3 channels with 5 phase shifts. The optical sectioned image that we get out of this can then be processed using the processing tab.